Hello, my name is Miss Lata. This is my English project, my daily Sunday routine. I get up 8 a.m., breakfast, milk with cereal and fruit. Then I take a shower, I brush my teeth, fix my bedroom, I go church, work with my mom to prepare food. We have lunch as a family. Then I go a football game park with my dad and my sister. I get on the games and the slippery. We go home. I take a tea. I watch TV. Later, PlayStation. We had dinner with my parents and sister. Then we played chess and Chinese checker. We watch a movie. I take my nap, brush my teeth, and go to bed at 10 at night. Thanks, teacher.